Okay, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got 2 hives down here. You see a swarm, we got a swarm stick and retrieving bucket. Hives are right here. And we got that little box set up there where we can put the bees inside. And Isaac, step back a couple, you'll see the whole process, you'll see if it works. Bees might fall on my head. We don't know what's going to happen. Take it at a time, one step at a time. Begin the process. Well. Kids are laughing at me. Oh, no. No. Hold straight. Oh, you got no. You don't got it. Oh. Feed the point out. Well, what happened? I can't see it. I just walked still up there. Got it. I can't see on it. Anything?
Thought you got like 1 bee.
Oh, we got some bees.
It's still up there.
How much?
A lot, the whole thing.
Okay. That was a little difficult. We're trying to make this happen here.
I didn't get anything. Got like 2 bees.
Take a look, take a look. Come on, come closer.
I don't have my head on.
Tick Jack. Oh, why didn't you have it? You have to give the camera to David.
I know, I'm watching a lot.
We got some bees. Chuck them in here. We don't know if the green is in there. Oh, one's trying to sting me.
Okay, let's continue here. You got like 3 quarters.
Okay, Divi, I need to hold this a sec.
Oh, you're doing
I need to put my head on, Divi.
Put it down. Hold it. No.
Just hold it.
I'm going to do that again.
Take a second.
Hold on.
This is so funny.
What happened, you guys?
You were supposed to shake it a lot more.
You have to push it back and forth, not up and down, sideways.
Up and down also. Make sure you know what it's looking at. You zoomed in too much. I'm zoomed in too much.
Get your feet, get your head backwards to look up.
My head back. Okay, we'll try this again.
The lighting isn't good.
Oh my God.
Gosh, more like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Ay, ay, ay.
Anything?
Yeah, but not much.
You didn't get much, Tyler. They're still up there. They're getting all rowdy. The first time you got more.
There, just pour it in. Bees everywhere.
First time you got much more.
Yeah, we're going to keep going. A little hard.
That's it. Maybe you have to get a little higher.
Yeah, I'm going to get a little higher in the ladder this time.
Just be careful.
This whole thing is getting loose. Alright, we're tightening inside the bucket. You got some screws. Tightening it. It's getting loose. It's getting a little rowdy, these guys.
Hopefully we get the queen and the whole thing fixed up and moved.
We don't know yet. Okay. We're going to try it again, folks. Try it again.
Not yet. You just started.
Do you have to swarm commander?
No.
You want? No.
Yeah. Of course. Why not?
Hoppa. Get a little high on the ladder.
See what's going on though? You did like,
No, that's the problem.
let's get the other two. Maybe you could use the other two. Oh well.
Talk to me, fellas. Got it. David. What? Where is it?
Can't see it.
No?
Straight up.
Oh, okay.
No, you missed half of it. Whoa! Whoa!
Stop, stop.
Whoa!
Where are they? Flying top. They're all top.
Coming down.
Whoa! That is so cool!
You don't even
Ty, you got all of them.
They're in the box.
You got a lot of them, you got.
Throw it in.
Wow, that was so cool.
Watch out! Watch out! Those are all flying top.
Whoa, that was
Closer,
so
come
cool.
closer. You're gonna kill them. Come close. You didn't get nothing. They all flew.
That was so
They all
cool.
flew. You shook the whole tree without them. Get the queen.
The queen probably fell down if
Get
not.
the queen. The queen is what you need now. It's not... Where they go?
Whoa.
Okay, gentlemen. We don't know what we got in. If we got the queen, if we didn't get the queen, we're gonna know pretty soon. We'll move this over.
Wow. Never saw so many flying.
Here's my video. Let me tell you what happened. Ladies and gentlemen, we shook the swarm. The queen may still be up there. If she's down here, the bees will eventually come down. If not, they're going to congregate back up there. They're still back up there. A lot of them still up there. But we're going to see what happens here. We'll give it a couple of minutes.
The next time, Lowe's sells this thing. It's a big cutter. It's like on a stick with a cutter. So you could, next time you could cut down the branch and let it fall into the bucket. Like the whole branch should go into the bucket.
Let's see what happens if they're going to congregate in the box.
The lighting is very bad.
All right, it's still up there. We go one more time. We're hoping it's cracking already.
Also, you were half off.
Make sure you got it.
Very hard.
I know.
I know I got it. When I'm up there. All right, maybe I should just take this whole swing down. I did it. Pull it up there. Wait 1 second. Oh, I did. Hold up. All right, take that off.
Never saw so many flying.
Hey, it's sitting tight over there. Yeah. Yeah, not sure. And see.
Whoa! You didn't get it. Whoa!
I don't know what we're getting here. Oh, now they're on every single tree. All tree everywhere.
Hold on, there's nothing there yet. Wait a minute. I think we got the queen. We got more or less everything.
We may have gotten the queen, we don't know.
Well, none of them fell. They're just flying. Okay, I'm showing you a video, okay?